Now, another good thing with this system is if you go into your music at this moment in time, you see there Audi MM. Just click on the red triangle. I'll turn that down, otherwise YouTube will knock the soundtrack off. So Audi selected. If it's not for any reason, just touch it, click on it, we'll go back, we'll click play, and I'll turn it up for a second just to prove it's playing. And just to show it is, we'll click on media. There you go, media. Now also, again, if it's not playing for any reason, you've got source up here. That corresponds to this top right hand button. So click that and you can see there, you can select different things. iPhone, if there's any CDs in, you can select them, the jukebox and so on. So that's how you do that anyway. It's a real good system, and the sound in it, the sound in this car with the Bose speakers is second to none.